The anti-lock braking system (ABS) module is a component in a vehicle's braking system that helps prevent the wheels from locking up during hard braking or in slippery conditions. The ABS module monitors the speed of each wheel and can adjust the braking pressure to prevent skidding and maintain control of the vehicle. If there is a problem with the ABS module, it can affect the proper functioning of the ABS system and may trigger warning lights on the dashboard. Some common symptoms of a bad ABS module include, number 1. ABS warning light on the dashboard. One of the most obvious signs of a bad ABS module is when the ABS warning light illuminates on the dashboard. This light may indicate a problem with the ABS system, including the module. Number 2. Loss of ABS functionality. If the ABS module is malfunctioning, you may experience a loss of ABS functionality. This means that the ABS system may not engage properly during hard braking or in slippery conditions, leading to potential wheel lockup and skidding. Number 3. Unresponsive brakes. A faulty ABS module can also cause the brakes to feel unresponsive or inconsistent. You may notice that the brake pedal feels spongy or that there is a delay in braking response. Number 4. Strange noises. In some cases, a bad ABS module may cause strange noises to come from the braking system, such as grinding or buzzing sounds. These noises may indicate a problem with the ABS module or other components of the ABS system. Number 5. Increased stopping distance. If the ABS module is not functioning properly, it may affect the overall braking performance of the vehicle, leading to increased stopping distances during braking. Number 6. ABS system not working at all. In severe cases, a bad ABS module can cause the entire ABS system to stop working altogether. This can result in the ABS system being completely disabled, which can compromise the safety and effectiveness of the vehicle's braking system. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button.